Deborah from Timeless Jewel by Deborah. Today I'm wearing sterling silver and beautiful gemstones. There are mixed gemstones. I picked this up when I was in Mexico. Oh my goodness, it's got to be 30 years ago. Absolutely love it. It's stunning. All right, so today we are doing a fun box. This is from, I received it 7/29 of 2023. And it is Suwanee, excuse me, Suwanee, Georgia. Let me get this cut open, give you guys first look. I swear their tape is just so strong. All right. All right, here's my receipts. There's air pillows in here too. Okay. I was gonna open it and let you guys see, but let's take the paper out, all the air pillows. Well, it is definitely a black themed box. So, all right, let's see what we got. Now, remember, I ordered this in July, so who knows what's going to be in here. All right, we've got a Calvin Klein sleepwear shirt. Oh, it's nice and thin. Perfect for nighttime. It's a size medium. Originally, it was $59. All right, so we got that. We've got a headband. It is unbranded. It is black with a little chain link here. All right, we'll open this at the end. Anything that's packaged. Then we got a black scarf. It feels like a cotton. This might be something. I smell perfume. Sorry. This will be something that I would decorate either my little end table over there or inside my jewelry box where you guys see I do my live sales. Or I will donate it. Not sure yet. I will do a little research on that. And if I make any of these items available, I will put the prices on the screen for you. And the way you can order is you can email me at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com. All the information will be at the end of the video in a green screen that tells you the ordering instructions. All right. Slippers. These sell so well for me on eBay. I sell a ton of them. These are Jessica Simpson. They're black with a faux fur. They're an extra large, a size 9 to 10. So that's nice. Got a pair of Great Soles socks. They are grip socks. Black and white, fits most women's sizes 6 to 10. So they're supposed to be tight. Right, then we got a bra, extra large black. I think it's a bra. Let me go ahead and open this. All right. Oh, it's not a bra. Look at, look at, look at. Sexy. I love this. This is gorgeous. It even has the garter belts on it. Wow, that's sweet. That is really cute. I'll definitely look this up. It is by 7 till midnight. That's cute. That is really cute. All right. And then we've got a little, this is adorable. Look at this purse, you guys. It's hard. Zipper works. Let's see if there is a name brand in here. There is a strap, so that's good. No name brand on this. I do see a tag down there, but I will definitely take a peek at that. But isn't that sweet? This is cute, and it's structured. All right. Then we got a strap. This is Vera Bradley strap. I think it's navy blue. That's what it looks like. Okay. That's random. So it's not all black. All right. Then we got, all right, Under Armour. These are perfect. This will be something definitely to list at the beginning of the year once everyone starts working out again. High rise, crop fitted, size extra small. New with the tag. That's great. We got a zebra belt. Zebra belt. This is Ann Taylor, size small. It's pretty. It is calf hair with imitation leather lining. So that's good. All right, then we've got a little phone holder purse. It's got this texture, like a black glitter, but it's not glitter. Kind of reminds me of like a pyrite, but it's black. You have a spot here to slip in a small phone maybe. And let's see. Okay, it does open. So you have places here for your IDs. Places for, oh, it's a new day. There we go. So that's cute. Not sure if it would hold your phone or not. It might. My phone's right there, so I can't test it for you. But that's cute. And then the last item is a case. I love these bags. I try to save them, but this one's pretty hard to get open. So we've got a black sunglasses case. Oh my gosh. Okay. These are unbranded, but you ready? What do you guys think? Okay, so yes, we got black heart sunglasses. All right, so that makes one. Let me put my other glasses back on. 2 with the Vera Bradley strap. 3 with the A New Day. 4 with the Under Armour Win-Win. 5 with the Nighty. 6 with the belt. 7 with the slippers. 8 with the socks. 9 with the hard purse. 10 with the scarf. 11 with the headband. Oh, that goes with the purse. And 12 with the Calvin Klein. All right, you guys. So I will put up prices. And if you're interested, email me at Timeless Jewel by Deborah, and I will be back really soon. I have some scarves boxes and other items coming up. All right, you guys, you have a fantastic day. And please make sure that you tell someone you love them today. Bye, you guys.